Hi everyone, this is the Unspeakable at Innerscapes Art Studios. Today I'm painting over this painting, which I just showed you, but it felt a little bit incomplete and like the beginning of something. So I'm trying again. I'm still working on a commission for someone I've never met, and I'm working with a feeling and a sensation, and I'm trying to match that to a painting. And I'm willing to give it 3 or 4 or 5 tries to see how it will work out, and to see how long it takes to match my feeling with the actuality. I don't know how to explain it, but I'll know it when I get it. This one was really fun to do. I really loved doing this swipe over the other swipe with a variation of more energy and more movement in the process. So there is a lot of paint, as usual, on this swipe because I put down a thick layer of base paint, and I'm trying to smooth it out without having to tilt the painting. And I don't really want to spin it either. Not really sure why. I had a specific idea, but it was a non-verbal idea. It was like a continuity of the other painting. That's all I could think of. So I kind of followed that thread without really having a specific formula or anything in mind. The one thing that I did know that I did want is for the painting to have more motion and more energy in it than the last one. I felt like the person that I was making this for, who I've seen a picture of but I don't know, would want more energy in the painting. And that's it. That's what I'm going for here. I'm using basically the same colors, but of course in different proportions. And here it is. I thought I'd leave it here. And here it is dry. But this isn't it, so I popped it into Procreate. So here you have it. When I saw this painting, I looked at it on my wall for a few days. I thought of that surreal Magritte picture of the man in the bowler hat, which was Magritte himself, multiplied, floating in the air among the buildings with his briefcase. But I didn't see a man, I saw white rabbits. This was fun. Spring is coming. Thank you so much for watching. I love having you here, and I hope to see you soon in the next video.